This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. The government of India yesterday signed a $132.8 million loan with the Asian Development Bank ADB to strengthen and modernize the distribution network and improve the quality of power supplied to households, industries and businesses for Meghalaya. Dr. C.S. Mahapatra, Additional Secretary, said the project supports the state government's initiative 24/7 Power for All and help the state reduce its high technical and commercial losses through network strengthening, metering and billing efficiency improvements. Remote rural areas in Meghalaya suffer from frequent power interruptions due to overloaded distribution networks and substations that use outdated technology, resulting in high aggregate technical and commercial losses. In Assam, over 18 lakh families in the state will receive 830 rupees per month in their bank accounts under Orunodoi, a direct benefit transfer scheme to provide financial assistance to poor families by providing money to one of the female members in the family. The scheme, Orunodoi, was launched by Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal in the presence of Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma yesterday. The scheme will be rolled out in 29 districts with 18.2 lakh beneficiaries. The scheme will be implemented in the 4 districts under BTC once the council election process is over. The number of beneficiaries will increase to about 22 lakh once the BTC districts are also included. The 56th BSF Raising Day was observed across the country yesterday. The BSF was formed on December 1st, 1965 as a unified central agency after the Indo-Pak and India-China wars for ensuring the security of the borders of India and for matters connected therewith. In Meghalaya, Inspector General Hardeep Singh laid emphasis on the BSF's role in securing India's border and tackling trans-border crime. He highlighted how the organization is taking extra care to maintain the fitness level of the troops. Greetings were extended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Nagaland celebrated its 58th Statehood Day yesterday. It became the 16th state of the Union of India on 1st December 1963 and it was inaugurated by the then President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. A state-level program was held at Civil Secretariat Plaza, Kohima on the occasion where Chief Minister Nefurio delivered his speech and took the salute from the marching contingents. President, Vice President and Prime Minister have greeted the people of Nagaland on their Statehood Day. In a tweet, the President Ramnath Kovind said, Nagaland offers a unique blend of heritage, culture and natural beauty. He hoped that the state will scale new heights of progress in the coming years. Meghalaya registered another COVID-19 related death in East Khasi Hills district yesterday, taking the total number of fatalities in the state to 112. Another 65 new COVID-19 positive cases were also recorded, bringing the total number of active cases to 669. The state also recorded 158 new recoveries, taking the total recovered cases to 11,094. Till date, Meghalaya has reported a total of 11,875 confirmed COVID-19 cases. In Nagaland, the COVID-19 recovery rate jumped to 90.45%. The state recorded 108 recoveries from the infection, registering total of 10,194 recovered cases. Besides, 23 COVID-19 positive cases were detected in Dimapur. Out of 11,208 total confirmed cases in the state, there are 840 active cases. So far, 57 persons have succumbed to the infection. World AIDS Day was observed yesterday to raise public awareness about Acquired Immuno Deficiency Syndrome, AIDS, under the theme Ending the HIV/AIDS Epidemic, Resilience and Impact. The day provides an opportunity for the people to unite in the fight against HIV and show support for those living with HIV. World AIDS Day was also observed in Meghalaya and Nagaland. In Nagaland, the network of Nagaland NGOs and Drugs and AIDS Organization has urged the state government to immediately formulate modalities to appoint ombudsmen on HIV/AIDS related activities and devise a new modality to continue engaging members of the State Assembly in the health sector. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.